How to get $200 Uber promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Uber promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Uber. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open GrabOn. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing offers and deal. 25% off, 50% off, 300 rupees off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here's the code, copy it, then you can head towards the website of Uber. Once you are on the website of Uber, you can log into your account, book your ride, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find this section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your ride. With that, you will get the discount in your ride. Likewise, you can also try out all the offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of amazing offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to check out this website as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Uber. This way you can easily get up to $200 Uber working promo code. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.